cutoff cycle. Select the F7 icon. Press the level cycle key until you are in cutoff cycle. Define your part. Xi and Zi, the starting point for X and Z, will be X 1.55 and Z minus 3.5. Diameter F, this is the diameter you want to turn the groove down to. In this example, we will use 0.2. Safety distances for X and Z will be 0.1, and we'll define our machining conditions. We're going to use RPM, maximum spindle speed of 1500, and a clockwise rotation. We define our roughing pass as 2 thousandths per rev for the feed rate. Our spindle speed will be 500. We will be using T4 and offset 4, and FR will be our final slow feed rate, and our value will be 2 thousandths per rev. Diameter R is our gear ratio diameter for the feed rate. In this example, we will be using 0.5. Simulate the program. Save your cycle to your part program. You have now created and simulated your part program and are ready to execute your part.